Welcome to our video guide on managing the personal discount module, your tool to reward loyal customers with personalized discounts. In this video, we'll guide you through the configuration and utilization of the personal discount module in your website's admin area. After installing the module, navigate to the Modules and Extensions tabs in the admin area. Locate the personal discount module and click Edit to access its settings. In the Settings section, toggle to enable the module for your website. Activate Apply Discount as Total Module for order level discounts. Click Update to save your configured settings. With the module enabled, set personalized discounts for individual customers. Enter the discount percentage in the corresponding field. Optionally enable coupons for a versatile discount approach. Click Confirm to save your settings. Now, you can reward your special customers with personalized discounts, fostering loyalty and satisfaction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful. Thanks for your time, and happy managing.